It was kind of the issue of that Lumba, you know, just share any to legal wife, any to Modobroni, and 7 day. First chapter and in December 2025. Now 2026, we know another chapter is opened. Just say be season 2, episode 1. Now we are season 2, episode 1. No, Akosua Serwaa, Akosua Court, ama ya pamono. Ama media as a man for children ewo ho. I Penyah block media. Mess was say need him. Over like video, don't have a follow subscribe button, some click notification, latest updates. Now better why you are my ewo comment section. So baswa. Not sure for any biasure. So it was on 28th November 2025. Anna, you got now Asem so final ewo Kumasi High Court concerning who is the wife to that Lumba, the late dead Lumba. Why any other because Odobroni yere eba say bujaponi ebusuan chire mu say Odobroni yere. Anna Akosua Serwaa yere. But Akosua Serwaa chire say dey be ono de. Ono obi enko Lumba ho dey be ono nkuto ne yere. Eti order 7 echo court. Se court enyina na chi Kumasi High Court. Edika court circuit court. Ediko PM High Court. Se court enyina na chi. Na court emewiase nyina hu ne say ono Akosua Serwaa ono nko ne Lumba yere. Ono nko ne kura marriage certificate a oye yere. Eti no the obi can be ade obi anye din onu nko pesa yekunani e ma se nko ne back and forth ama ekotwa 28th November abra her lordship Justice Donda Smith ata etna sem so Kumasi High Court na odi atemu e ba o kiremu se mumieli nyina na obi aye yere if say according to the ruling na e ba aye no evidence sebe Akosua Serwaa lawyer e de ba aye no emunyedu what I say intimi improve enye ibia it doesn't hold water emunyedu what I say emunyedu it was someone enye ema the side of Odobroni so no obutimi prove bibi it a convincing judge no ema okasa kenya omu ase we di bem ana we di for munyina no ohwemu a munyina mo ya ede no it mo go transfer kan enfo donko bo odomu na monye kuna no ema na nyafe munyina mo nko kan mo nye buzapanyi wo kan mo na monye eye no hyehye ema no eye di date class aba bontene se till legal wife Akosua Serwaa nko for inside Asem no kokko se omonti ase ema buzapanyi enye eye even that time buzapanyi na start eye no hyehye omuta kwaje court injunction ebeto so ema no ekobubo mo eye no that time ya na Akosua Serwaa na omaga na haram na otiama no ne ana ne lawyer you know this is back down ana lawyer no edi charge no e court or edi atrenchwe e court in her name usianansi last week no ana Friday no ana ba say madam Akosua Serwaa obepie mu e Ghana ha no mo ade go shia airport no de na in fact e dom e shia no kwan no na enye dom keto e ma obaye no Sunday no ko pie mu Kumasi ho no mo no na be more or less as a fanfare as ye gi ani as a free kwa say obi yekunani abaduru anigye as ye be celebrate ye be gi ani any ade what I say and be you ha no mo as ye gi ani as ye rally campaign kura ni akọ e ye twu mo be ye gi ani no Ghana for no kura bufu ya gas de na sebi mami kire obi a wukuna wuo de de na wu ye busia enro Monday no ene ba ye se mami Akosua Serwaa ne lawyers no akopie mu Kumasi Court of Appeal I say atemwo na her lordship Justice Donda Smith ata de ba ye at Kumasi High Court on 28th November 2025 aye kire mu se Odobroni ye yere na Akosua Serwaa so ye yere ba hwemu a Akosua Serwaa is not a lawful wife because document of the buyer no anyone the buyer no mu claims evidence no according to atemu by there any evidence ain't me serve as exhibit 1 or as B1 and B2 ain't me serve as such it no lawfully no enya yele but you better consider or yele but lawfully you concrete temu causes there one yele it is that judgment na e buyer no ho ena Akosua Serwaa side call the Kumasi Court of Appeal Emma ene no me bro video catch say according to the lawyer no lawyer Kwesi Williams ochiremu say the entire Akosua Serwaa ba Ghana hadom no oba for holidays na say lawyer no kwa kasa abemene na nya adwene oba holidays say there's all this one obetima ba Ghana ene no ma na say I don't get it oba holidays say all this one na ko obetima ba Ghana ana na wo ma ana say dey what enye no waso na yeka na bi ni bibi me hwedi na mse dey bi Mami ba wa be eye will because when you what information ye be ready will no ye be ready say Ye say Lumba you and they are never trap. Eti e be read the word no. Ye go be the words abakenka. Eti also ye fast ever Ghana as e be church upon the jano cause after all. Nobody know what my pain. Eti was say to me, "Ye fast ever." Now we don't be tie mu bi. But o ko pie mu Kumasi Court of Appeal no. The entire may say eye ejapade ntino ba Ghana ha no mo no. E was afraid bibi letter of administration. A letter of administration no say na etie. Or say a letter of administration is a court-issued legal document granting authority to someone, into parentheses, an administrator, to manage the estate of a person who died intestate without a will, allowing them to pay debts and distribute assets to heirs, is essential for assessing funds and property, preventing illegal intermeddling, and is applied for close relatives, typically in order of spouse, children, parents, or customary successor through a court process. Not just say a letter of administration, no, say obi ewuo. If you die intestate, you can't intestate ya. Say wu you na wanya well. Intestate, wo abra wanya well. You na wanya well. No ya pade egu ho no mo, wo bia ni ho no. Ene oyere ana wo ba, ana wo bia je say aka ono ano wo te wo ho ben wo no. Or no betime tumilika court. No wa ko file, letter of administration. Now what be claiming ownership of waja pade enyi on be the sole manager. It don't waja pade enyi na be ba nsem. Ya making carry we be abim. It ono ana waja pade enyi na be ba nsem. It is a wuna se wanya well and one more. Yes, or you better ako court. Ako letter of administration. Sebia ne waja pade enyi na be ba nsem. Ono na be the owner of that. Not just say ana ehwemu se kire say that Lumba oya real. And it's a mama who has a wako court, say court, any China court. Man file letter of administration. Na ensem no emune say. Na ensem no, I don't get it. Ensem no emune say go the whole of the Lumba. Wanya will because for sure. Mama no akwan tum. Enti nema Lumba ye bi ono mu hwe. Enti I don't get it. Say obe tu me ka court say court enhye na yemfa Lumba eja pade nyina ma no de. Asem no it says say and this is making no court and na chisa and then mamre ko na yapam no ya kicking it out allegedly you are booting it out from the court and said that no person oye ne de court ejira na chia enyeye ama comedian so Ghana for no e chirumadwe na efa ho
wo abusiafo anopeya yapam Akosua Serwaa Shindler any lawyer kusi every court say letter of administration na omuyi omo kode say ankomba wa beji na omaji Lumba eneoma aboso no court ni say omamfa due process inti omonko no mkonko ye the right thing with the registrar no mo ensure say all those involved no all the parties no ombe consult omo na say ehia affidavit a omo enya sa affidavit no e dia ba beye de wo se omo ye dai omo ye inti ma mi Akosua Serwaa nti wunnim dada say high court will say no nkwa na oyeyere I don't know frakadam ye dragasa. No one can show do broni. Sa die we e na oba be ye na wa wonde wo pe. Ene wo lawyer na wa bonu e ba court abehwia mo ko de na wa be ye ababegide ako. Mo ye frosters ana. Debi ya ka chelo kisi say onhwe say the right thing is done. Na minim school a lawyer kusi ko ye. Enti ada bia e cheche no masa. Afi nso emma no a enkura no nyina no. Akosua Serwaa nko ayi ni baba akopete wono nko amra no afi ya ka kire ne say there be enkra no doors che wo ma no there are other children sa odobroni so ma ewom enti omu nyina beti ase ti yi ba akope so represent wo mu munye sa no ma we nyina afi so wo oyire no unim se oyire foforo wo ho odobroni wo ho wan kra no se wo ba abusua panyini so enim se wo ba ba ya de we eno so da bi mami Akosua Serwaa adenti na we swing de la sa ya yesa jidimbone ya mayanka se ye hu ka se japade enti na wonam no ne kre wa confirm ne right now se see no enti odobroni nti ase se mami Akosua Serwaa represent me a eba letters of administration na oboa muntimi nye da me ka me kire wo ne Say odobroni antiase a maami Akosua Serwaa unko wuntimi nko enko fale eye friend say letters na unko anfa nko sa appeal letters ade ba nyina no maami Akosua Serwaa eye old letters twem da na mo hyɛ da beto se na be ya yen ye be dwen se na mo court ko ye mo boa mo nim aguase monim aguase ye ko ma date ni ye 2025 na wo so deal ni nyina ne se na nka mo wia mo ko de na mo akwaje letters of administration in a court aka kire mo se monko na monko the right thing na all the parties involved no mo consult mo na me it will be very funny akwa odobro ni be fa so be tiase se wo na omi no be kan bom akwakoye sa na wonim na se odobro ni tiase a o na je se ono anga so patum dwe na me ni so patum dwe nti obeti ase ba oti ase kra me nti ase enti ye ka kire mo se wo ha efi na reko odobro ni achitafo mesre mo ema obi ankasa biem na nkofo we no mo ye ne omudi sa agro bi no mabon including their lawyers lawyer ne kra wodi omonim kra wabon ontimi kenkan enhu se without odobro ni without abusua panyini without all the parties involved no untimi enkonkoji letter of administration radi nyangopon illiteracy bompaye pa wati illiteracy obompaye wia na wodo ba ko school mani sua de kakra no fa fie nyansa so nka ho nyesa obebre odobro ni ukunu ko nkoma wati ukunu oko oko emaw wedie ayo patako ajeku abobo Lumba na mishra wati o kacha baya ne se obesoa na hinche ebe kada kumpa mna uwa se wahu se nyame kunto kwa mawa on obie no betimi odo kwa kuma to yam odi dadin na minim se wo no lawyers no maboaboa mo ho awie na nkofu no mu ni case they don't have anything good to say biem Misramo emo obia ne team legal wife ni bia enkoya no baba e wo app isu biem omabon omunim hwe the likes of why emu nyina they don't know anything omolo ya ne kro odi anim ne krampo nim se odobro ni nka ho a enyeye Madam Asibebre. Thank you very much in Daddy Lumba's voice. Madam Asibebre.
Ghana for emum eyehu nia maami Akosua Serwaa eyehu ya koyese sebi omude omukunu numu ni omuma numu koji nduru ni bia maami oba Ghana no 1 week no obi ehu yese na there was no problem maami enamfo bone ena ye me se saana enamfo bone ede wo ko hawmu ede wo kopie baabi a wompese obepie ya ye kasa me se baabi a wompese obepie anase baabi a wakono de ayo haw edu kwa kopio maami Akosua Serwaa court just recently file for letter of administration over that the Lumba's ejapade meaning say ononkote na yemano saa tumino to make decisions over that the Lumba ejapade muamunim sa hyase no a maami Akosua Serwaa before ansa no be file no ni ayedi she ni ti maami no it's as if say say owo either say mentally delayed I'm sure say maybe something mentally maybe she's not herself whereas other people are also manipulating her to get their hands on some of the japadiano but I think say because of ononso net time I say oba or person ni kunu no wu because in Crawford Saliman can send be pa mina mi kunu ewu a there's no way say you me ba say you me busi ni wu na me ti wo wano say ni Saliman kan no enka me ne gina court enka metwe na basa enka metwe no but mami we ni Saliman alcohol ge that means say amafo mo hwe ye o Ghana fonso a up to today obroni ni ba ye nkromu na yebeye no obroni kokoma che na ye di na chi cho ti se de ne ye hui Ghana fo asabi mwakono de de bia ne wo bim de bia ne obi soro obi amani wo obi arewo obi bribi obi nsem hunu de bia Ghanani is always going after the things that will not benefit the country no. Inti obroni ni ba yenkro mo be oba ye ne nkola di nachi sa na sese won se Ghana fo di nachi hwe maami ani kune wo a wa ba rehu ba kokore ni nanim ogina ka so esa na adwene nya adwuma mame. I'm telling you, the woman is not mentally sound. This woman is hugging everybody who has spoken very bad about the same person or per se obe jine japade no afen so the only thing a woman we any so any needs as the people behind her is a japade. The whole thing is about a japade, isn't it? She mami Akosua Serwaa okwa away foreign country hono ni kofi na amane nam they still think of Ghana. Said your brony jine say Ghana for obibini Jimmy no. Mami Akosua for say yes, e bibi for Jimmy and a Ghana for Jimmy and they are behaving Jimmy mu. Mami Akosua think said your brony ebefa bibini injapade ediko ni kuromu ebe ye basa betani ye mpanyfo against us no. Ghana for akoma kotani to obroni ni ahoho de ba kuromu nti hwe maami Akosua Serwaa why ne ni maami we inti Lumba na munim na watimonim Lumba na wabɔ nnwom a abrɔfo nyina pɛ na asɛm no modono Lumba na wapagya Ghana din even the Akan that say the language Akan no dia bɔ nnwom ama Ghana din ye pagya ma yenim no as a legend. Lumba na mo say this is a typical of Ghana for. We are typical of Ghana for who ade ye fofra inti no hene mua timi koka nsem hunu say inti no hene mua all of a sudden o hene no ateni with now. So you people were with that Lumba all these years any odo broni all these years. You see, this makes me think and reflect on how our bibini a prayer hey ye nananom. As I say, ye national day, ye the kind of silent wo kronum about slavery. I'm telling you, because yankasa yen krofo in a cold blood ya kum yen krofo. Mami Akosua Serwaa why neni no? Why neni ne bre? But look at how Ghanani is willing to sell Lumba over Mami Akosua Serwaa. We actually say Ghanani won. Se Ghana ni tukwanya okoton na mamre okoton na manie yete kuronum kurano yempe yenga manie ene ya manie obroni obianka wo se wo na wo ye the wedded wife and wo na wo ye ukura deben certificate no wo ba ye no poster certificate na ya ye kura wo. What a gimmick, what a joke. Nanka wo be nanka wo original certificate court wo na wo koye no o kwa kopre to me eno ntina ya omode no hi omaka kire ne say onko back no onko consult with the rest of the parties no onko consult with the family onko consult with the children. Mami Akosua Serwaa a sacrifice no one yemu ma for japade. Way is a typical way is a clear signs say mami we Daddy Lumba ne poison no is as if say mami we ni mu bi menu am fa nkwa dwendwem
Ewradi nyame ayi Lumba case na it say ayi no tam na hwekunkum ba aja no case ni ye se die si na obohu na different story na bewom case ni ye no hu se die si na papa shi a story for hey the amity dey ampa dey nkan hu o fa hu akwaji letter of administration na court no so kwai na no high court so nyongwa na ayere hey kunkumbaja utumi si a cheprage apa o entwanani ebiniye.
And I don't know those who are who are the advisors to this so-called team legal wives. To the point says some of the team legal wife members get the nerves to insult Daddy Lumba. Obehu ofu ibi na odi da Lumba atem all because believe said that Lumba ama Madam Akosua Serwaa more treatment awale na woni hobby wonyina hobby but believe say that Lumba ashu Madam Akosua Serwaa 89 year he get the right the nerves the sine qua non to insult that Lumba anka say that Lumba tiasia anka that ofu ni ntimi nyina that Lumba enim onya access kura nhia ne da enko onya access kura onya the access kura nko meet Lumba kura da but ene ni wachi no otimi so camera si nanim eke kan kwase asem etere do Lumba just because say believe say the Lumba ja Madam Akosua Serwaa ko for do broni ne de ene do Lumba etetiwe Akosua Serwaa na the case nyina no awala no nti hobi ene de Lumba de sebe etimo pese mo chese na wa Jimmy ene oja na ware a wote hu kama wale kono awale fe wote hu no na Lumba Jimmy ene oja wale no ho ekofa afoforo. What do you want to tell us? Mo pese mo kan de kire etimo pese mo chese sebe Lumba na woni mu nyansa ene no tena wale ase ene oja wale no kofa afoforo no woni mu nyansa na mo kasa o ase mo pese mo kan sembia mu didi Lumba atem nyina wo mo nya careful. Se monya team legal wife enya team odobroni a enya team da Lumba mewa ha obeke kan kwase asem a masa obeje no woto emeke kan kwase asem wetu akomonto kwa enye me masem but se wo mu anu betia da Lumba mentwema wo. As I've been watching some of you mu videos especially the team legal wife you don't respect mumu ebre mu ade how you talk mumu ebre mu ade you don't respect mu ade obi timi kase na da Lumba ye kna man ade ososoma nonsense etika da Lumba tiasia ka betuma ka dan kwasa asem ya tren some of you ho as we be take advantage mo bi kase tro point mo kase sebe Lumba kwa no onye obi a eye maami Akosua Serwaa ma Lumba ye Lumba na se maami Akosua Serwaa ma Lumba ye Lumba ade na ono so one build ne ho aso mo ka mo dwene ho de mo dwene ho mo sua nyansa mo di nyansa kasa some of you mo kasa anyhow mo kasa wa mo be mo kire se bi na Lumba kwa do papa wo ye papa hwe akwa bi na omo obra bia na wo ye no lie person na wo ye no lie Lumba bo onwom pereza bebre se penso na where was Akosua Serwaa that Lumba bo terize pereza bebre se na sebi na mama Akosua Serwaa na wa henefa that Lumba na wo ye betwani ana na wo ntuni etimunya sa mo kwase akeka no ana ye ma we ne ma Lumba ye sei munya sa mo kwase akeka no. Chirawa adwe ma me e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Media background.